Today we will be testing a new reversal indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new reversal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 522 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new reversal indicator. And so the source video says this free indicator finds perfect reversals. And so we'll put this to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator. Now, obviously it is, or I guess I shouldn't say obviously, but it is a free indicator, and so that from the source video is true. Now, as far as perfect reversals, it's yet to be seen. Like I said, that's why we'll test it. And so the indicator that we are testing is going to be the Bollinger Bands MTF and Coleman filter. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it'll look like this here. And so basically what we have is Bollinger Bands, and we've added in an extra filter from the Coleman indicator. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience, every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. And so what we're looking for is we are looking for price to push up and start trading above the Bollinger Band. And when it does, it starts to create this cloud like this here. It's red background, kind of lines through the cloud here. And then what we're looking for is we are looking for when price finally starts to trade back below this cloud. And when it starts trading below this cloud, we want this blue line right here, a very small blue line, we want it to have a nice sharp downward sloping angle. And once all those match up, that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this real nice sharp push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for when price starts to trade below the Bollinger Band, and it gives us this green background here. And just like before, what we are looking for is price to start trading back above that Bollinger Band outside of this green zone that's created. And then we're going to look at this little thin blue line, and again we want it to be sloping up at I say a sharp angle, but it really just said sloping either down or up, depending on whether you're going long or short. And so, it's kind of hard to see, but it is sloping up right here. And so that'll meet our criteria for a long. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below this little pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the upside once again, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trades, and out of those 50 trades, we had 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting that at a 36% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if we were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, our total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,800, because your total profit and loss would have been negative $2,000. And so, at least in this particular case, the indicator didn't work out that great. Now, I can see some merit behind the indicator and how they developed it, and it does seem like a pretty reasonably decent change to the Bollinger Bands. And so I would say put it on screen, play around with it, see if it fits your strategy or if you can decipher it in a way that makes sense to you, and then use it accordingly. Now, during the same period of time, we did 39 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had an 80% win rate and a total gain right around $19,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.